In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get big orders on Grubhub. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order various items from a restaurant or a grocery store nearby at once. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm not gonna be talking about Grubhub for drivers, so if you would like to get big orders to deliver and make money, then sadly this video isn't for you. But if you would like to order a lot of things at once, in Grubhub, all that you have to do is choose from any of the stores available in here. Once you set up your location and you choose any store, you will be able to start adding items to your cart. So browse through all of the items, the selection, and as you can see for this example, I've added 5 Cantina Chicken Crispy Taco Meals. Now, once you have everything added, regardless of the size, you will be able to choose between delivery or pickup. So just choose it here accordingly and you will be able to proceed. When you proceed to checkout, regardless of the size of the order, you will be able to see all the available payment methods and set up your name and phone number. So under your payments, just confirm the payment method. Usually, for Android, Google Pay will be selected by default, and for iOS, Apple Pay will be selected by default. And if you go over to add new payment, you can choose between credit card, PayPal, or Amazon Pay, and possibly more payment methods related to your region, or if you chose delivery or pickup. So once you have selected everything accordingly, all that you have to do is pay for this order. If you are going to choose credit or debit card, which is the most common way, you will have to include the full card number, expiration month, expiration year, security code, and then a billing postal code. Once all of this is filled out, you just have to choose the payment method and proceed. Now, once you go over to the store, you will be able to get it picked up or, of course, delivered. And this is going to work regardless of the size of the order. I hope I was able to help you on how to get big orders on Grubhub. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.